Did you have a fight with John?
Riitelitkö Johnin kanssa?
Did you fight?
Taistelitko?
Did you have a good sleep?
Nukuitko hyvin?
Did you have a nice summer?
Oliko teillä kiva kesä?
Did you invite him?
Kutsuitko hänet?
Did you like the movie?
Piditkö elokuvasta?
Did you live here?
Asutko täällä?
Did you make it by yourself?
Teitkö sen itse?
Did you miss me?
Ikävöitkö minua?
Did you see anybody there?
Näitkö siellä ketään?
Did you speak at all?
Puhuitko ollenkaan?
Did you study by yourself?
Opiskeletko itse?
Did you take a bath?
Kävitkö kylvyssä?
Did you watch the game?
Katsoitko peliä?
Did he come by bus or by train?
Tuliko hän bussilla vai junalla?
Did she go to see John?
Menikö hän tapaamaan Johnia?
Did he propose to you?
Kosi hän sinua?
Did he say anything about it to you?
Sanoiko hän sinulle siitä mitään?
Did he say anything about it?
Sanoiko hän siitä mitään?
Did he tell you what to do?
Sanoiko hän mitä tehdä?
Did I hurt his feelings?
Loukkasinko hänen tunteitaan?
Did you call him up yesterday?
Soititko hänelle eilen?
Did you do this on your own?
Teitkö tämän itse?
Did you do your homework?
Teitkö läksysi?
Did you drive her home last night?
Ajoitko hänet kotiin viime yönä?
Did you finish the job?
Lopetitko työn?
Did you get my point?
Ymmärsitkö pointtini? Hei hei,